Let's see the Christmas puppies. Tigger. Nice. What, Tigger? Tigger, what? What? Tell me. Tell me, Santa.
Did I tell you how much the red cost?
Hi. Yeah. What? Trixie, let's see you. Let's see her in a pretty shirt. Trixie. Oh, she's so pretty. Since I can't get pictures of you, I gotta get video.
I wish the lady that took the first little brown one would have taken that brown one, too. Because I know that little one has a good name.
Be nice. Tigger. What's your shirt say? Elf-sized. Hey, Mouse. Yep, you take after your daddy, Rocky. Angel. And there's the mommy. Good girl, Angel. Say Merry Christmas. Oh, Merry Christmas. You gonna roll over again? Angel. Yeah. Good girl. Good girl. Yes, he is. There's going to be some concussions. There she is. There she goes.
Gonna go out, everybody out.
And there goes the stampede. See ya.
They know. As soon as I call, they stand right up on the thing. The hopping.
Yeah. What are you doing? What's that? What's that?
What time do you go to work tomorrow?
10 to 6.
They look. 10 to 6?
Yeah. This one's gonna be an actress.
Yeah.
She loves the
Well, no.
camera.
See how she's following me? She knows I got food.
She's doing a hop. Oh my God, that was funny.